part 2, 3582. Just getting the boost control solenoid plumbed in. Got some PCV vent that will go in the intake tube here. I've got these water lines just kind of out in the middle of nowhere right now. There's one there, and the other one is just factory location. This one I had to use this silly adapter, but that'll just get tucked away eventually. For now, I just wanted to get some coolant in it. And I'm going to be putting this high performance cooling fan on there. It's a lot smaller than or a lot slimmer than the factory one, and actually bigger. So it's bigger, pushes more air, but it is much smaller, like slimmer. So get some more room in there and push some more air. So I got the intercooler in with the fan there, and you can put it in with the intercooler attached. So this is what we're dealing with right now. As you can see, this is our adapter for 4-inch to 3-inch, and this is a 3-inch 3-inch. May actually be like a 2.5 inch to 3-inch here on this one. Let's see that hole compared to this hole. Let's see if we can fit that in there. All right, so I got that elbow in there. Very tight. There's minimal clearance, of course. There's the old one. Got my air intake tube there right underneath the side duct, I guess you could call it, as well as, well, you can't tell unless here we go, there's that side pocket there as well that comes in, so that should help a lot. So other than just finishing clamping a few things, I would like to say it's complete and ready to flash up. So of course, already just sitting a couple days, that turbo's got, you know, that surface rust, just like the manifold, same kind of thing. But we'll fire it up and let it heat up. Alright, so pretty much just going to fire this thing up. Probably going to smoke a little bit, but much because it's super cold, but so hardest things about this swap is going to be, of course, getting that dump tube made. You can make it however you want. This is the way it worked out for me. You could do hood exit, you could go down and around. There's many other ways that you could do this, but this is the way that it worked for me. And same with the downpipe. Gonna have to weld that and put a flange on it, but please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys later. Cheers.